one. Okay, dude. Start. We playing watching roulette?
Yeah.
Let's do this, bro. I go first.
I'm sorry, this may be it. Oh, I see your fingers, bro. Oh no, I see your fingers.
Fingies.
I see your fingers.
2 more rounds, and you could win a suitcase. A giant suitcase. We're actually gonna do. Hey, dude. Does it have the
I
bullets?
took your revolver.
But please just do it with someone having one revolver. I think that's
Okay.
okay. I think that's easier. Okay. Ah. Let me spin it for you.
Hey, give me it.
There. Go. Ah, bro.
Wait, let me set it for you.
No, I got this. Let me set it. Go. Hey, you looked into it, bro. You looked
No,
in.
yeah, but I didn't spin it. It's exactly on the bullet. You put it on the bullet. Why would you put it on the bullet?
I didn't try to bullet on the bullet. One more round, and then
Yeah, it was on the bullet. It was on the bullet.
Could win a suitcase today.
Bro,
Right now.
are my arms so longer, or are they just normal? Are my arms normal?
No. We going first. Ooh.
Oh.
There you go.
I'm not gonna spin it.
Oh.
Wait, let me spin it for you. Give me it.
No,
Let me spin it for you.
I got it.
No, you're not spinning it for me. Is that
go?
Okay.
Ah!
It was.
Wait, no.
No, bro. It was on. I couldn't shoot it. So I turned it. Oh my.
Okay.
That's just luck, actually. Move your fingers if you're okay. Move your fingers if you're okay. You're okay?
Yeah, okay. You win.
Please don't kill me.
You win.
A suitcase.
Suitcase. You win a suitcase. There you go, bro.
Let's play a couple more and I get something else.
Yeah, but with someone else. I'm gonna be right back. Part 2 of the video coming soon.